you don't know language. Let me also tell you, network marketing business becomes more successful when you cannot speak the language. Oops.
Sorry.
Did I say something wrong? So, think about it. I would request you guys to discuss with your uplines. Come out with a plan. Because before end of 22, Jeunesse India will launch in Sri Lanka and Nepal. So those are the two markets where we will be expanding now. And I want you guys to be there in the forefront to take the advantage. Are you guys aware what is the advantage of launching a country? What do you think is the advantage? If you want to speak in Mizo so that our friends understand fully.
Alright. 2022 Ralph in the Sri Lanka and Nepal Mananidona launch Mananidona. So that's when I saw it to Ram Jeunesse Laluna and Tarhan in advantage in ship. Kantan advantage distributor tan again advantage in ship is on it too.
I want answers from you, not from him. What do you think is the advantage?
We have a chance to have great prospects there.
Okay.
Because we have more experience than the new countries.
Bang on. So that's a great advantage. What you're saying is 100% right. You enter into a virgin market.
Yeah.
It's not exploited until now. It's not explored until now. And in Sri Lanka, there are only 2 companies who are operating today. Only 2 companies. Right? And the population of Sri Lanka is a high investment, high spending market for healthcare and personal care. Close to 2.8% of the country's GDP is driven by healthcare and personal care market. It's huge. It's really huge. Right? The biggest advantage of opening up a new market is people from that country know only you, not the company. That's the biggest advantage of everything. So anything that wants to happen in that country, one, you will decide. And you will tell the decision to the company and the company follows you. It is not the reverse. Network marketing business's logic is simple. No business is started by the company. Company will never launch a market. Leaders launch a market, company follows the leader. So when you are going to launch a market, you will demand what you want from the company. You will decide what support you want. Do you want a stock point there? You want an office there? You want employees there? You want which products there? It's all your decision, not the company's decision. And standing here, I can give you a commitment. Right now, in the last 2 months, there is a lot of excitement around Jeunesse across India. Slowly, things are moving a little faster than what we also expected. Initially, I'm sure if you are joining into the Jeunesse Live, Jeunesse Discover calls, initially we used to have 15 people, 20 people.
Yes.
Now it is averaging at around 80 to 100 people. And I've started meeting leaders from across different states. Right? And I'm seeing the enthusiasm. Today, I was speaking to a couple of leaders who are calling me from Delhi, from Mumbai, and from Tamil Nadu. And the Tamil Nadu guys are very, very pushy about wanting to move into Sri Lanka. So my request to all of you is, think through, if any 2 of you would want to go to the market and explore it, let me know what support you want, I'll provide it.
I'm ready for that.
I am already seeing that, right? So I have some good connections there. I come from Tamil Nadu, so it's very easy for me to connect people in Sri Lanka, right? Think through. The condition for starting the business is this. The day we hit $50,000 sale in a month, any month when we hit a $50,000 sale, we can open the market. So you need to reverse calculate and see for $50,000, how many enrollments you need to have? Have a calculation in your mind, right? And I want all of you to take down and write in your own notebooks.
Yeah.
How much commissions are you making today from Jeunesse on a monthly basis? Write down the average.
Average in
Now, as of now, how much are you making every month? Average. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you the number. I'm not going to ask you.
So it's okay, I don't know it's money can share to read and see a photo.
Have you guys written? Okay, good. Now I just want a yes or no answer. Okay? Look at that number. Are you happy with that number?
No.
No.
She's still writing. No? 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 He's like, definitely no. It's easy. No.
No.
No? Whatever.
Yes.
You are happy with it. Good. I have one person happy with it, and lot of, I would say 98% not happy with it. Right? Now I want you to write down the number which will make you happy if you are making it every month. Write down that number. And don't tell them, and don't think whether it is too big, whether it is too small, whether it is possible, whether it is not possible. Forget all that. Just put the number which will make you happy.
Yes, yes. I tell you, everything I go for I don't. Oh, I'm not to Palema claim to be in the doctor has a doctor in it.
Are you guys done?
Yes.
Sure? Okay, good. Now next question what I have is, what is your plan in your mind to reach that number?
So that's all. Come in number in those years. To me, that's when you think of him talking in the come in achieve Tator Khan and a plan in name. Malakmator and thing around and come name.
And the reason I'm asking this is, I want each one of you to understand the fruit of success comes when you know the exact details of where it is going to come from. It doesn't happen. It is not automatic. Nothing is automatic. You need to know exactly where this money is going to come from. Meaning, is this going to come from new joiners? If it is a new joiner, how many jumbo packs, how many supreme packs, how many new joiner packs, basic pack, or if it is going to come from your retail margin, how many products, which product, which day, which is the customer. That is the kind of detailing you get. This is your business, right? On an average day, I spend roughly around 15 to 16 hours with my team purely on strategizing data. Data is everything. You need to have a hold on your business.
Lotinda Raron Suana Tursu, Engakan Mutaina Turka, Lotinda Kan Mutaina Turatana, numbers, a couple Motani, he can Mutayam, a jumbo package into the Zat and Loot say, basic package in Katima to the Zat and Loot say, can share the line to a numbers, Atsi and Suan Kantan, Gankal Tiso, Zelda Turtan, Kong Hauta, to many of Suanin, to the Zat Suni, and can share the Tiamahartani.
All of you know Amitabh Bachchan? No? Do you know how much he charges per advertisement? Not campaign. Just an advertisement. What do you think he charges per advertisement? I'm not speaking about advertisement, campaign. Campaign runs for months and years. One advertisement, one slot.
1 crore.
Current charges for a 10-second slot is 5 crores. Current slot. because I approached him. Right? 10-second slot is 5 crores. My question to you, why does he charge so much?
I think I understand.
You got the question, right?
Yes, yes.
Why do you think he charges 5 crores for 10 seconds ad? Why? And his call sheet for advertisements is not available for the next 9 months.